Hey everyone, so I'm Karthik Rathore and today we are going to learn React Native and today we are going to learn about basic components of React Native that will help us to create and build React Native application. Okay, so like we have already covered this topic in our previous video also, but we are going to go more deep into this topic right now. Okay, so we are starting with the UI only. So like what if I will remove everything? Okay, I will remove this style. Okay, this also, like we will cover from very basic. Okay, suppose we do not have this line as well. Okay, and this part as well, and this as well. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to learn from very basic of React Native. Okay, so first let's move to JS. I would prefer, because we are starting it from basic, so I'm just moving it to app.js. Okay, so right now we are having in JS file, and I'm also removing this. Okay, so guys, what do we have right now? uh, if you are aware of like JavaScript arrow functions, so we are having an arrow function here, right? So it's a very simple thing. If even I will remove this now, it will be a simple arrow function right now, right? So we are basically having a function here. Okay, and what we are doing it, we are exporting it. Why we export something? Okay, so in React Native we export it so we can use this file anywhere in our project, right? Because in my project I can have multiple files, and I could need it anywhere. I may need it like some in some other file also, right? Right. So we mostly export this. Okay, so we can use it. So React Native is like mostly known for its reusability only. Okay, so now let's move to uh, our React Native uh, part only. Okay, so uh, so what you will call this file? Okay, if I will pass a return here. Okay, it will return something, right? In this return I'm giving it a view. Now you can see I can import it from multiple places. Okay, but now we are using React Native, so I will use this library to import from it. Okay, React Native is basically a framework, but I'm calling it library for now. Okay, because we are right now importing it from a library. Okay, so this is our view. Okay, uh, so what is view? So view is something that help you, where you can write text, where you can put image or a button, or a button, like anything, right? So view is kind of window, right? Like what will happen if I will give it a style? We all know style. Like what is a style? Like we can give it a background color or anything, right? So if I will put a style here, okay, and I will give it background color red, what happened? Nothing. Okay, why? Because we did not tell it that what is your height, what is your width. Okay, this view doesn't know what's the width it has to take and what's the height it has to take. Okay, so what if I will give it width 100% and height 100%? What will happen now? Oh, 1000%, sorry. So we gave it 100%, 100%, and it is working perfectly. It gave us the background, it also covered all the area of our screen. It's perfect. Okay, but uh, what if I will call it flex 1? It will do the same thing for you. Okay, flex 1 will cover all the area. Like we are learn about flex in our like upcoming videos, but for now just remember this. If you will give flex 1 to your main view, it will cover all the area. Okay, perfect till now. Okay, so uh, it's not a good practice to write inline style. What is inline style? Like we are writing the style inside a view component, right? So what we can do, we can create a separate file for it, like HTML CSS, or we can like simply import style sheet here. Okay, now we will just give it constant styles equal to style sheet dot, we need to create it, and we can pass an object inside it. Do not think much about it, just for now. uh, just understand this part, that you that this is a structure of React Native, and here I can give a name like container. Okay, and I'm pasting this. Okay, and here I'm giving style dot container. Okay, so like this is our basic structure of React Native, like basic structure of a component. Okay, this is what we call a component. We rendered a function here, we exported it, and we are showing our UI here, right? So okay, here we will learn about some other elements as well, like we can use text here. Okay, so you can find React Native here, and we can write any word. Hi, like I can write here Marvel. Okay, I need to give it a like text color. Okay, so just simply I'm passing it here for now, because I don't want to waste your time. So color is white. Okay, I can still not see my text, right? But if you will focus here now, it is at the top. Okay, so what I can do to put it in the center, you can align items center, like you are doing it right now in your main container. But when you will actually write the code, you will learn like suppose you have an height of 80 and you have an width of 300. So like if you want to put a text in the center, what you can do, you can do align item center, and the text will come to the vertically center like this. And when you want to do horizontally center as well, you can do justify content, and you can add the same center. Okay, so now my text is center. Okay, if I want to increase the font size, what, it's a very simple uh, word, right? Font size. So I don't have to give here pixel or something like that. I can simply write the number here like 22. Okay, okay, I gave it to container, and I need to give font size to only text element. Okay, so I'm writing it here. Okay, or we can make it 42. Okay, now we have seen Marvel logo, it's kind of bold, right? It's not like this regular font size, like font type, right? So if I want to give it weight, what I can write like font weight, and I can give it 800, or I can also write bold like this, it will work too. Okay, so right now we have here Marvel logo, right? uh, yeah. So okay, so if we have a logo of Marvel, why shouldn't we use an image as well, right? So I'm simply downloading an image. Okay, we can take Marvel image. We do have like something. Okay, let's try this. I'm just downloading it, and I'm putting it in my project. Okay, inside here you can create a folder name assets as well. Right now I'm just putting it outside. Later we will learn how should be our structure to do it. Okay, so what we should do here. Okay, so if I want to put an image here now, what I can do, I can use this tag image. Okay, I'm taking it from React Native only, and here I'm giving it a style. Okay, like we can give a style later as well. So, and you can also close that tag like this also, like this also. Okay, for the image part and for the text part as well. Okay, so like right now we just want to import our image, and where is our image? This one, right? Marvel.jpg. So what I'm doing, I'm like simply importing it. Source is, you can write source here, and you can uh, give the path as well. Okay, so what will be my path? Like sorry, inside source you need to write require, and then you can give path. Okay, so this is my project, so I will simply go here, and I will find my image here. Where is my Marvel? Okay, it is not recognizing it. No problem, I will simply write marvel.jpeg. Okay, our image is here, right? So I can give it height as well, and width as well, right? And you can give width according to your screen size also. That would be like so better, like 90% I want to give. So, and now we can comment this text. Okay, so like this, like how you can use text and image in your video, sorry, in your application. And like this is very basic. We have such more things like for the button part, what we can do, like I want to go to Marvel website or like any website. Okay, uh, does Marvel even have a website? Obviously, like they have, but I will just search it. Yes, yes. Okay, so we will go to this website. Okay, so what we can do, we can add a touchable opacity. Okay, here, and like I'm simply closing it to like show you slowly, and I'm cutting it from here. You can use Control X or Command X. Okay, pasting it here. Okay, now I can give it a style as well, like we will leave it for later. Okay, and we can give on press. So what is on press? Like what you will do when the user will press it, that is on press. Okay, so in the on press I'm simply passing uh, a function. Okay, an arrow function I'm passing here. Okay, and what I'm doing here, I'm simply doing linking. What is linking? Linking will be imported from React Native. Okay, so if I will put a dot here, now you can see like so many things we can do with it, and open URL is one of them. So like we are going to open URL, and what is the URL? That we will just copy from here, and we will paste it here, right? Okay, that's great now. Our image is gone. Okay, let's find out why. Let's give it a style. Okay, what if I will give it a flex? It won't work. Okay, okay, so look, like if I will not give it like, okay, I need to give it, if I'm putting it inside touchable opacity, like for now I'm giving it a manual height, because it doesn't have any width right now, right? If I will give it 90% and 90%, it will work. Okay, like this also we can do. So if the parent doesn't have any width, it will not take any width, okay? Or either it will take 100% for some other views if the parent has 100% width, okay? But we will come to that topic later. Just for now we are just learning basic components, so we will not go into that one, okay? Okay, it is not looking good, right? So what we can do, we can put it in the center, align items center. Yeah, better. So let's click on this. Oh, and we are going to the website of Marvel. So as you can see the URL, my net could be slow, but you can see the URL is working here, right? Okay, my net would be slow definitely, but it will take you to the website. I'm sorry I did not give you that experience of seeing the website right here. but but like you can do it yourself now because you have already learned it. So guys, stay tuned and we will learn so many more components and more things in React Native, and we are going to learn it in very fun way. So stay connected, subscribe the channel right now, and you can also like this video if you feel like it helped you, and even if you didn't feel, please like the video so I can do something better in next video. Your likes give me the motivation to work hard, okay? So okay guys, see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye.